Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's very nice to meet you again. It's me, Indar, mom of Ayaran. Today I'm gonna show you how to make something very easy, super duper easy. It's called Scrunchie, and I will make in 3 ways and 3 sizes. Let me start the tutorial by telling you a story behind the scene why I made such a easy project like this. I have 2 daughters. My daughter asked me while I was about to go to a store to buy something. She asked me to buy a scrunchie. Mama, please buy me a scrunchie. Suddenly, I just frown. What a scrunchie! Frankly speaking, it insults me. How come you have a mother who loves sewing and have a ton of fabrics, a ton of material, and then you ask her to buy you scrunchies, the simple project that she afforded by herself. Let's get started. Okay, now we start sewing the scrunchies. First, I will make the small one, and here I put the good side together, and then I start sewing. I use back stitch to hand stitch the fabric because it will tighter than if we just use the running one. And you can take a look at the 12 kinds of basic hand stitching on my previous videos. And then after we finish our sewing, we put the inside out.